How to find tagging settings on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find tagging settings on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy, and now click settings and then just go down until you find this one, followers, and not this one, profile and tagging. Click on it and then here you will find tagging category, and that's how to find tagging settings on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.